Signet is a noun that refers to a small seal often set in a ring used to authenticate documents or mark ownership. Origins: the word comes from the Old French signet, meaning small seal, which itself is derived from the Latin signum, sign or mark. It has been in use since the Middle Ages, traditionally associated with royal or official authority. Explanation and usage. A signet is historically used to stamp documents with a unique impression, signifying authenticity or approval. While its practical use has diminished, it still holds symbolic value in traditions and official settings. Example sentences: the king pressed his signet into the wax seal of the decree. In ancient times, only those with a signet could issue official commands. To South's cultural significance, signets have long been symbols of authority, power, and identity. They were widely used by monarchs, nobility, and officials to validate decrees and correspondence. Today, signet rings remain a mark of heritage and prestige. Synonyms: seal, a stamped mark for authenticity; emblem, a symbolic representation; insignia, a badge or distinguishing mark of rank. Antonyms: forgery, a fake or counterfeit mark; anonymous, lacking identification or signature; unauthenticated, not verified or officially recognized. Our key takeaway: a signet is a historic and symbolic mark of authenticity, often linked to authority and heritage. While less common in practical use today, it remains a powerful emblem of identity and legitimacy. Subscribe.